Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video, back to the channel. You might be saying, Beav, where the hell you been? We've been busy, super busy, even though the COVID-19, the coronavirus has a lot of things shut down. That also means there's more opportunity than ever on the internet. There's more people scrolling through Facebook feeds, things of that nature. We're launching a lot of new products. We're in the middle of the Mother's Day sale. We've been extremely fortunate to be able to continue working. We've obviously been taking the necessary precautions. We have a ton of space here and there's only a couple of us. So we're keeping our distance from one another and being super safe about it. But we've been fortunate to be able to keep working and I've been very busy. Tonight, we're here in the office, in the shop, building something really cool. We're going racing. We are building a race car, an online race car. We're actually building a race car simulator rig. So Travis is over here unboxing it. And he's actually making a video. If you guys want to know more about the actual simulator rig setup, go check that out on his channel. I'll leave a link in the description to that video, or at least to the channel. I don't know if it'll be up yet or not. While he's doing this and unboxing all of that, we have to make room for it in his office here, which is kind of a mess because we were trying to figure this out. So while he's unboxing it, I'm going to take a lot of that stuff out of there and probably organize it into this mess of a video studio. So we're excited to go racing. This is exactly why I put a garage door in. I can get big stuff. I don't even know what I'm gonna do with all this stuff. You gotta work harder, not smarter, T-Dog. No, smarter, not harder. All right, I got those spaces ready to go. T-Dog, what are you doing?
Still unboxing.
Still, what? I don't think either one of us know what to expect from building this thing, because you saw a video, he saw a video that said it took these guys 8 hours to build it. I mean, it's gonna take some time. I don't know about 8 hours. This video might go on for a few days.
You guys order a cheese pizza?
All right, now while Travis continues to unbox the rest of that stuff down there, that's gonna probably take him all night, let's talk about, what was I talking about? Oh, yeah. Let's talk about why I say there's opportunity on the internet and what that means. What I mean by that is white space. Where is there underpriced attention to be able to get in front of a potential end consumer? In the grand scheme of things, this isn't costing that much, and the cost to continue racing isn't going to be that much, especially when you compare it to racing a real vehicle at a real racetrack where you're traveling across the country and moving vehicles around, fueling, fixing, repairing, things like that. This is practically nothing in terms of that. So being able to go racing and have somebody like Travis driving, who's going to be highly competitive, right?
Yes.
Ideally, he gets a lot of views on his YouTube channel, or if we're live streaming it on Twitch, or if it's on iRacing and other people see it. But our demographic fits the criteria of this. You're talking about 25 to 34-year-old males who we know from experience are into racing. So the way I look at it is it's a cheap investment and a cheap way to continue getting brand awareness. It also gives your customers something to connect to. There's what other diaper bag companies in the world are doing some of the things that we're doing, right? There's a lot of reason that people are connected to our brand, because we're the guys that are like the baby gear guys that are out shooting guns, that are out racing cars, who are doing cool stuff beyond just trying to sell you a diaper bag or whatever. So things like this also give your community something to relate to and connect with and be a part of. And then hopefully when people are ready to buy, they remember the brand, they saw the car, they remember the car, they just watched a video, whatever the case is, but there's no way to actually track that conversion. So if you are looking to do something that is a branding play like this, do not expect to be able to track conversions from someone seeing a race car on the internet, on a video game, to a purchase on your website, because it's probably not gonna happen. You have to track long-term gross sales. Did they go up, did they go down? Things like that. Also, if the gyms could open up soon, that would be great, because I was like winded coming up these stairs. So I need to get back in the gym. Looks like we can finally assemble some stuff now. So I am going to need a few tools. So in mine and Travis's long history of building custom cars and race cars, we are clearly going to anti-seize all of the nuts and bolts on here. And if you're not familiar with anti-seize, it's basically the coronavirus. If you get it on you, you are going to spread it around everywhere and on everything. It's on my finger. It's probably all over my camera now. It's everywhere. All right, this is the current progress. We've got the main base done where the seat goes. We've got the monitor stands. We're gonna have triple monitors. And I'm gonna end it here. If you guys wanna see the rest of this build, make sure you go watch it on Travis's channel. He's gonna talk about all the ins and outs and what we had to do to put it together and all the technical stuff, because to be completely honest, I don't really know much about it. So, thanks for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Subscribe to the channel if you aren't already. See you guys in the next video. Peace.